Hi everyone, this is Mr. McKinney. This video will cover using Google Drive Cloud Storage. Google Drive is available for anyone with a Gmail account. All students will have a school Gmail account. So the first thing you must do is sign into your Gmail. You can use different search engines to do that, Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Safari. I really like Google Chrome because Google Chrome plays better with Google Drive. So I'm going to use Google Chrome to log in. We're going to pretend like I don't have a shortcut on my desktop. So for this time, we'll go into my bookmarks. I have actually bookmarked Havana High School's webpage. And you see where it says District Gmail. So I'm going to click on District Gmail. Now I want to create a shortcut so I don't ever have to do that again. And I can grab this here, place it on my desktop. And now I have a sign in from now on. So let's pretend like I got this sign in for Havana High School's Google accounts. I will log in as myself and sign in. Here you see my emails. And here we can access all these apps. The access we want is Google Drive, our cloud storage. You can create documents in Google Drive also, but for today we're only going to talk about organizing our storage and downloading things into it. As you see here in my drive, I have several folders here. I have organized and have stuff in each one of these folders. I find it a lot more helpful to organize everything, and you should too create folders when you do them. And today I will teach you how to download a file, create a folder to manage your files, delete a file or folder, rename something that you have inside your documents, and sharing files. So let's start off first with downloading a file. If you want to download a file, you'll find here where it says upload. You've got to upload a file up into the cloud storage. So let's do that. I want to upload a file, not a folder this time. You can do a folder too. Let's pick something I've worked on recently. There we go. Pearson fixes needed update June 5th. I updated it. Okay, there we go. You see here the upload has been complete. Close this window. Here we have it. You can look and we'll open up that document and there it is. All the stuff that we're doing with Pearson. The different products. So let's download something else to show you. It takes a little time downloading pictures comparatively, especially if they're not JPEGs. JPEGs, here's a BMP file. It'll take a little bit longer. As you see here, it's uploading 26, 35, and so forth. So the file takes a little while. And there you have it. The upload is complete. Open it up. There we have a good picture of some ducks. Excellent. Now, if you want to manage these things you've downloaded, let's say now I see I have geese and ducks and I want to put them in a folder together. We'll call that folder, we'll create a folder and we'll just call it pictures. So now I have this new folder called pictures. I can grab my ducks, pull it, drop it in the pictures, grab my geese, drop it, pull in the pictures. We open it up. There we have it, ducks and geese. That's how you can do that. Now let's talk about renaming a file. This one here I have named geese. Obviously when you open this up, these are not geese, these are pelicans. So let's right click it, rename it. I like keeping it as a JPEG file there so I can see it, so I'm just going to rename it Pelicans. Still a JPEG. And there we have it, still Pelicans. Going back out to my drive. Now let's delete something. This time, instead of deleting one document, well, I don't want this Pearson thing anymore. I don't want that in there. I'm not ready for that to be in there permanently. I'll get rid of it. And I don't really want the pictures. Well, let's leave them in there for now. So you can just click onto it here and then go up to trash and get rid of it. That's how that works. Let's share a document. I got this pelican photo, remember? Let's right click on it and tell it we want it to share it. Share. And as you see here, I've shared it with Mr. Worley already. And let me share this with Mr. Schroeder. Now I'm going to send him a notification, and he's going to get a notification that he has a picture of pelicans, which he'll just love, I'm sure. Getting that. So now, if he opens this document up, and I open this document up, excuse me, if I look at the shared on it, it'll show you that I'm sharing this with Mr. Worley and Mr. Schroeder. Now look at the difference. Mr. Worley can view it. Mr. Schroeder, though, has the ability to edit it. Oh, I don't want to give him that access, so I'm going to change it to he can only view it, so he can't delete my pelican pictures. Now, why do you want to change the access? Well, it depends. If you're working on a group project, you may have it where you want someone on your group project to be able to collaborate on it, make comments to tell you, hey, you really ought to change it to this or do this with it. Or you might want to make it so they edit it. Let's say you're responsible for the first 6 slides, and then you send this up in the clouds and you allow other people to edit it and add their 4 slides onto it, and so forth, and eventually you will have a final product. So that's why you would want to give them editing rights. But for this purposes, just viewing rights, save changes, done, and there you have it. When looking at Google Drive, if we examine here at the bottom, it will tell us how much space we have left of our Google Drive because we don't want to overuse it. If you manage your space effectively, it should last you your entire 4 years of high school, and probably your junior high too. Here you see I've only used 0.24 gigabytes of the 30 gigabyte space that I have available. So I have a significant amount of space still available for me for my drive. This is where you'll save all your documents to, okay? You're going to save them. Hopefully you'll put them all in folders. For you, you'll create folders basically like English 2. I'm going to create a folder and then I'll put all of my English 2 documents in there. Heck, you may create a folder because you want to organize yourself really well for your entire high school career and create an English folder and then drop English 2 in it. So inside the English folder is English 2. Maybe inside there you create another folder and we've got English 3. And so anytime you look inside English, you'll have the 2 of those and you can organize inside them whatever you want to in it. Now when I tell it to upload, it'll upload directly to English 3. Let me upload Getting a Shot, the picture. Now Getting a Shot, upload directly to English 3. Now if I want it to be in my drive, I should have just had it in my drive when I upload it. So wherever you decide to upload it to, that folder is the folder it's going to go into. All right. Now let's delete something. Let's delete the baseball. Let's delete pictures. And let's delete this English folder. Don't want it anymore. There we go. And that is how you operate Google Drive. Thank you.